Oh, here's video 2 on this bad boy. 50 jeepster. Alright, just uploaded video 1 for you, a little quick walk around. So, like, the first thing you gotta do with any project like this is analyze it. Clean it out, garbage out of it. Look at that. Doors don't stay open. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, starter with the old original foot pedal on her. You know, a lot of these old vehicles back in the day, there was a pedal that went through the floor right there next to the gas pedal, and that's how you started them. You pushed on a pedal. That's how you got the starter to engage back in the day. Looks like this thing's been in the swamp. I wonder if it's still good. Yeah, I'm sure we'll be doing a video on this later anyway. Definitely gonna have to spray some Freol or some kind of penetrant on it. Still turns. Item number 2, the generator. So back in the day, instead of alternators, these old cars had generators. They charged a lot slower and a lot less amperage than today's alternators. That thing. With the old tag on her still. Auto light. Still turns. Alright, what else we got in here? Got some partial seats. Look at that. Yummy. We have some top pieces. These here, if I can get it out. Something like that. Let's see here. Kind of how the top pieces went for the windows. Something like that. Just pulled right out. Save those frames. This looks like one of the ones that would be for the front door. Sets in there something like that. This is the one for the other side though. What's this? Oh, look at that. Yummy. Oh yeah. Maybe it was the convertible top boot. Another seat piece. Another door piece. Another window piece. I wonder where I'd find a top for this thing. Some kind of vacuum actuator. These here, so that's the plate, I'm assuming that goes between the, yeah, this goes off the side of the engine. The starter goes through this plate, pretty sure. Maybe. Looks like we have an old test light here, some sheet metal, plug wires, that gear is plastic. Doubt it's for this. Spray bottle. See if this seat still folds down. Should. Might fold up too. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Ew. Look at that. Yummy. Another seat part. What else we got in here? Old AMC hubcap. Not for this. Question is, will this top go back up? I did free it up last night. Best I could. I don't want to pull on this thing too hard, so I guess we're going to leave it right there. What else we got in here? Another seat piece. So all this stuff for now I'm just going to put out back. Just get it out of my way. There, right there is one of the front seats for it. These had two different size seats. Two-person seat on one side, one-person seat on the other. This is all got to get vacuumed out. What else we got in here? I have no clue what that grommet's for. New saw. Big old spring for something. Yeah. Yeah, the top was all seized up. Sprayed a bunch of WD on it and just worked it very carefully. Guarantee you that probably, actually that might be, could be for the heater duct. I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like maybe for the heater. Huh, I don't know. Maybe. What else we got here? Rags. Ugh, look at that. I am going to have to exterminate this garage. Popped the hood off it. It wasn't even bolted on. They just had it sitting on there. Looks like the rest of this stuff can probably be thrown out. Looks like somebody's done some of their own hack and pack here at one time. Not sure what that bracket's for, but we're definitely not letting it go. I save all this stuff. I'll get a bin, put all the smaller parts in the bin. Any bolts I find will go in the same bin. If I find any, I probably won't get that lucky. Garage door rollers. Huh, I guess that'll be it. Alright, well, I'm going to get all this swept out. Get the shop vac. We'll vacuum all the nooks and crannies on her. Take it from there. I think these door panels are salvageable. Door cards, a lot of you call them. Unfortunately, the upholstery on that seat, it looks like it'd been done, but had all that crap laying on it, just weakened all of this vinyl. But we'll save the frame. I doubt the springs are any good, but you never know. But this is going to be a budget build, so maybe I'll just take some wood and some foam, wrap it, kind of like you would a boat seat. Alright, well, we're going to conclude this video, video 2, on our 50 Willys Jeepster. Y'all have a goody-goody. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Off.